Hi, welcome. Today, my Vornado started making a noise like grrr, and it wasn't quiet anymore. And since it's a $60 fan which uses a brushless motor and hardly uses any electricity, I really like it a lot, so I wanted to repair it. The model number is 133DC. And how I started, some of this is pre-done, so I don't have to waste your time taking out screws and stuff, but there's 4 screws in the back. There's one, two, and there's 2 more at the bottom. And you take out the 4 screws and there's 2 clips. There's one up here and one at the bottom. So to get the clips off, you just kind of tilt it up and you pull. Set that aside. And then you have to get the fan blade off, so you kind of just yank it. Alright, and the next thing is there's a little clip in here you have to take off, either with your tweezers or with a little screwdriver like this, a little small teeny tiny screwdriver. But I've already taken off the clip to save time, but you just kind of pull it right off. Alright. Then you take off these 4 motor screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just take them off with the Phillips. And you got your motor out the back. This is the magnet here, and the coils are inside. So what you want to do is press on the shaft, and the motor shaft, the magnet comes out. See, there's a ring magnet here. There's a bearing. And on this side, there's another bearing and a little white plastic washer. So you take those off. And then there's a spring in here too. You can take out the spring. And you take out the other motor. Now we'll need to replace these bearings because they were noisy. The way you do that is you take a caliper, set it to millimeters and 0 it, and you measure the length, and it's going to be 8.95, so we'll say 9. And we're going to do the height, which is 3.96, but we'll just round it up to 4 since it's only a few hundredths of a millimeter off. So 9, 4, and the inside we're going to do with this end, and that is 3.9 also, so we're going to say 4. So it's going to be 9, 4, 4. You're going to go into Amazon or someplace that sells bearings, type in 944, order them. The next day they'll be there, hopefully, to put them back on. Put on the bearing, put it back in, put on the spring, put on the other bearing, put on the white little O-ring here, never works while you're on camera. Okay, there's the O-ring. And what you have to do is press down this bearing into there, and the spring is going to push back on it, so you kind of have to hold it. And this is where I take the tweezers and I'll slip on the new one. I'm not going to do it on camera, but you just slip the new one on the shaft here. Right in, there's a little groove in the shaft where it goes, and slip it on and make sure it's on all the way. You might need some a magnifying glass or some reading glasses. Okay, you're going to put this back in. And make sure this wire's in the right spot. Put in the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press back on the fan. And press it all the way in. And then you got the clip. You want to line up these clips so it's compressed. You should hear it click. Do your 4 screws, and you're done. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope you fix your fan.